Hello, thanks for joining me on this original Jane. I want to show you a coffee can bird feeder that I made last winter, and I'm going to make another one for the summer now, and it's good for keeping the rain off of the seed. Let me show you how I did that. All you do is take your can and you take the lid off and place it inside on these two supports, and this is what will hold your seed or whatever you put in as feed. Then carefully take a drill holes up through both the container, the canister, and the lid that's on the inside. And then I'm just going to take a couple of screws and run them in from the outside. You could, take a lot of time and get them screwed in from the inside and screw the lid down, but I'm going to just screw them in from the outside, put them in from the outside, and put a couple of pieces of tape over them. Then I need to make sure and cut off the end. I could leave the end on if I wanted to, but I'm going to go ahead and take the end off. So I'll take my knife and cut that out. And then I'll return with the drill and drill a couple of drain holes on each end, just in case water does get up in there that it can drain out. And then I'll take these clips, just paper clips, big paper clips, and the one on one end that's open, that's the opening, won't need any more attention, but on the other end I cut a little gap there so that it will fold back and I can put the clip there. I'm using some jute, and I'll run that jute through there and tie it up to make my hanger. And there we have the finished product. We're ready to hang it in our tree. Let's see what it looks like. So here I have my bird feeder, and I have it secured in a branch so it won't sway so much. I did take the clip off and wrap it around that branch. So we'll see how that works. Other bird feeder that I had, I used more of a wire, a coated wire, so I may end up doing that. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you will, please like and share my videos. And the best thing would be for you to subscribe to my channel. I hope you'll join me next time. See you then.